definitely inspired by Black Panther. I was feeling Wakanda-ish, y'all. I came home, I saw the movie, and I was like, yo, I feel like Wakanda. Wait, hold on. Before we even consent, do y'all see that? Do you see this crayon case and glow? But before we jump into this video, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Duh. I mean, while you're just sitting there looking, you could be doing something. Be subscribing to the channel. So I'm going to brush out my brows, you guys. And now I'm using my crayon case brow gel in the color Ebony to fill out those brows. Gotta have them fleeking, baby. Fleek. Okay, so now I'm using my Ruby Kisses Face Creator Concealer in level 11. And I got this from the beauty supply store, guys. All these makeup products are very inexpensive. And I'm just going to be tracing my brow and getting those things popping. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So after that, we're going to blend that out, okay? So I'm using a color that's closer to my skin tone from the same concealer wheel. And I'm going to place that on the top and blend that out with a blending brush. And in case you guys are wondering, I'm using a tapered concealer brush that I got out of from BH Cosmetics in one of their brush sets. And I'm also going to be using another BH Cosmetics brush to blend everything out. Most of my brushes are definitely from either e.l.f. or BH Cosmetics. So here, you guys, I'm using my NYX concealer in the color beige, and I'm going to place that on my eyelid as an eyeshadow primer. Make sure you blend that out, okay? Blend it out well. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. So now I'll be taking my Meet Matte Nudes palette and using that brown shade as a transition color. I really like this palette, you guys. I got it from Ulta. So now I'll be using the Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics and using that light yellow as a transition shade. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay Electric palette and using this orange color and placing that in the outer crease of my eye, building that color up. So now going back into my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm just adding a darker yellow on top of that orange and making it a little deeper. I want that yellow to stand out. I want that yellow to pop. Now you busting my head. For your sake, I go boom John. Make me drive around for your Porsche. If say you like Allah, I get to Allah. Anywhere where you go, I go follow you to go. If say you like Allah, I go follow you to Mecca. My love for you will never die. Never die. So now, guys, I have to go back in and use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige and place that on my lid so my next color can stand out. I'm using this as an eyeshadow primer. We want the next color to pop, so we're going back in with concealer on the lid, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is still the Take Me to Brazil palette. This is just an older version. I have two. I have a new version, an old version. I'm just going in with the darker yellow and kind of blending that out. And now I'm using my Juvia's palette, and I am placing that gold color on my lid. This is the Nubian 2 palette.
Make me drive around for your Porsche. If say you like it, voila. I get to voila. Anywhere where you go, I will follow you to go. If say you like it, alaja. I will follow you to make my love.
So going in with my Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going to take that sandy brown color and I'm going to place that in my crease. Kind of smoke that out a little bit. Add a little color back into that eyelid. And you're also going to see me use another dark brown, like this color right here, and place it on top. Kind of make it a little deeper. You're going to place that in the crease and on the outer corner of my eye as well. So using a lighter gold from the same Nubian 2 palette, I'll be placing that under my brow bone as a highlight, just so my brows can pop a little bit more, you know, fleek. Taking my black Opal eyeliner, I'll just be winging that on out, y'all. Can't have a look like this without a little wing. So now I'm using Milk of Magnesia and placing down my skin as a primer, foundation primer. It works really good with me, so I've just been sticking to it. And now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 360, and I'm going to use that and place it on my face, y'all. I love this foundation. This one is the matte one. I love it. And you see me blending out a little bit more, y'all. I'm about to be feeling myself. Oh. So using my big fluffy brush I got from Icings and my setting powder from Black Opal in the color Deep, I'm just going to be setting that foundation. And now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm using two colors, Toffee and Warm Honey. And let's contour that face on out, girl. Yes, let's snatch. Let's get snatched. It's my favorite part, y'all.
My love for you will never die, never die. Some be no, baby, some be no. Papa, you too fine, you kilo de no. You can't walk out like a coming. I go follow you to pata pata. Some be no, baby, some be no. Papa, you too fine, you kilo de no. You can't walk out like a coming. I go follow you. So love is a beautiful thing. You the cool my temper. Love is a wonderful, tender feeling. It didn't make me shiver. So, Papa, do what's you like. The love the way you show, they give me life. We they do, we no pretend. For the sake of love. Oh, yeah, kiss me, make I kiss you, Nana. Come make I show you, say I love you, Nana. For your sake, I go scatter dollar. Show you love, you never say. For love, give me love. Oh. Now your love, I want to.
So now I'm just using some banana powder and I'm going to set that under our concealer and my contour on my face, you guys. And let that bake for a little minute. So taking that same NYX concealer, I'm going to place this under my eye. And I'm priming that for my blue eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay palette, Electric. And I'm just going to add that blue, y'all, as a pop of color. Don't y'all see it coming together? I'm feeling Wakanda-ish already. They're going to have to add me in the sequel, honey, with this look. Yes, honey, yes. Using some mascara. We cannot forget about those bottom lashes, honey. We're going to have to pop those back on out. They got faded in the blue dust, in the blue smoke. Have to bring those back out. Yes. So now I'm taking my Ruby Kisses Face Creator in level 16, the darkest shade, and I'm going to be using that to contour my face and get on snatched. Taking my black Radiance bronzer powder in Rich Mahogany, I'm going to be blending that contour out. Yes, honey, yes, bring color back to my face. And I'll be using a blush. I'm so sorry, guys, I do not have any clue of what the name of this blush is. I've had it a while. But I'm just going to be applying that to my face, bringing color back. And now I'm using my setting powder in Deep from Black Opal and blending everything together. Blend it together. We are blending. One of my favorite steps is coming up, you guys. I'm taking my GlowCaine highlighting powder from TheCrayonCase. Make sure you check them out. And I'm placing this in my tear duct, you guys, so it can sparkle and shine. Yes. And now I'm taking my other highlighting powder in AnGlowLa. Do you see that? Wait, hold on. Wait. Do you see that nasty glow? Yes, baby. And I'm just gonna highlight my face so I can shine bright like a diamond. My God, y'all, so beautiful. I just feel so good. I'm gonna blend that on out, y'all. That's something serious. That's something serious. That's nasty. That's shit popping. Oh, yeah.
My love for you will never die. Never die. Some be no, baby, some be no. Baba, you too fine, you kilo de no.
Y'all, it's lip time. So I have two colors here, but I only decided to go with one. I am outlining my lips with NYX lip pencil in dark brown. I'm taking Tootsie lipstick from Coloraine, and I'm going to place that on my lips, you guys. Yes, I love the dark. It's a dark purple, and it's just popping, y'all. Make sure y'all check out Coloraine. I love it. I love their lipsticks. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Come together. Come together. Yes. And I'm just cleaning up my lips, y'all. Just cleaning it up. Yes. So, of course, this look is not complete with my hair looking like this, y'all. So, you watch me wand curl my hair. Watch me transform and get together. Just wand curling this hair right on up. So, stay tuned for the finished look.
Anywhere where you go, I will follow you. Anywhere where you go, I will follow you to go. Oh, Bobana, you say you like Yalaja, I will follow you to make a. Oh, Bobana, my love for you will never die, never die. Some be no, baby, some be no. Baba, you too fine, you kilo de no. You can't do a cut like a gomino. I go follow you to pata pata. Some be no, baby, some be no. Baba, you too fine, you kilo de no. You can't do a cut like a gomino. I go follow you.
Y'all, I was feeling it. I felt it. I was feeling it. I liked it. Yes. Now, if y'all feeling Wakanda Forever, comment down below. If I'm giving off Wakanda Forever, please comment down below. Cause I ain't playing. I said, y'all, I'm coming with the looks. I'm coming. No, seriously, y'all. Seriously. Thank you so much for subscribing to my video. I know I'm a little crazy. I am a little crazy. I'm a lot to deal with. I'm a little... Anyways, if you're a new subscriber, comment down below. Say, I'm a new subscriber. Hey, Hey, what's up? You know, tell me your favorite. What look should I do next? But bam, okay, that's how I'm feeling. I'm glowing. I'm looking cute. You know what I'm saying? It's all just feeling it, y'all. Are y'all feeling it? Hold on, wait. Wait, hold on, wait. Wait, hold on, wait. Wait, hold on, wait. Wait for it, wait. Wait for it. Ah! I'm cute. When you feel cute, you just cute. I'm cute. I'm cute. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Just feeling it like y'all.
For love, give me love.